John Maynard Keynes had a famous quote in which he said, an economist needs to be a mathematician, a philosopher, a historian, and whatnot. An economics discipline encompasses almost everything that can come as part of the social sciences. So an economist is also taking cues from political issues, taking cues from sociological issues, taking cues from economic history. The basic idea is that when you develop ideas, you should be able to develop abstract ideas, but also quantify them to make a meaningful analysis. And the whole economics discipline is essentially doing this, trying to quantify the ideas and then doing analysis which is useful for policy making ultimately. When you study economics, you have policy implications. So if you work on economic models, you come up with very practical uses of those implications. The career options for JSLH students typically have been, in corporate world, they have gone to policy circles. Most of the students have gone to study abroad to get a master's degree. Recently, there was a student who has gone to Yale University to study development economics. Then there have been some students who have gone to Oxford, some in Sweden, the School of Economics. How an economics student at JSLH is different from a general economics student is its focus on interdisciplinarity. So you get to study subjects which are different from economics. For instance, you have a choice of choosing political science courses, choice of choosing IR courses, international business discipline, public policy. So from other schools, there are many options sometimes which our students take. And when they work on their thesis, they implement this interdisciplinarity more often than not. And that is what economics students can do. They can work on ideas, but also work on rigorous crystallizing of these ideas using mathematical techniques. And that is what an economics major is expected to do at JSLH.